What's up, guys? And we're doing the 1,000 mile per hour fidget toy, and I have 3, and I'm just gonna show them off after I start spinning them. So let's get into this. Here, Gracie, go ahead and hold the camera. Yeah, this video is like this way. That's why I stopped the video. We had one going. I didn't like the angle because it's harder to do it the face way.
How does that work? How does that one work?
You stick it in.
Ow!
There we go. Bring it out. Put this back. Okay.
We'll come outside.
Now let me put it on there. I gotta give it a minute. Warm it up.
See it.
Alright, guys, I think it's about ready. First off, this is my third favorite. To get this going. Woo!
It might look slow in the video. They get hot.
Now let's do the second one. Oh, that's the three.
The middle one's gonna be bad.
That one spins a lot faster.
Did it get hot?
No, it just... Woo! It's going fast.
It's gonna hurt.
No, I'm not.
Now we need to go turn the thing on. Or do all 3 of them at once. It might not work.
Works, guys.
It might look slow in the video, but it's actually going really, really fast. It looks so cool with the rainbow when it's in the video.
That's how you stop.
Okay, let's go turn it on. So loud.
Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to leave a like and comment down below which fidget spinner you like best. And you have 7 seconds to hit the post notification, subscribe, and hit the like. So yeah, 7 seconds. 7, 6, count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you have enough time, comment down below.
If you didn't, that is okay.
Yeah.
You always have another
I'm trying to think
try.
of something because I don't want to copy Colin's key and do Keeper Squad, but I want to get 7 seconds to. And if you could comment down below, I usually do fast break, but I just made that up from the top of my head.
This is how short it is to be me, people. How short it is to be me.
Okay,
That's
anyways,
how it is
I guess
to be
just,
right.
just comment down below, fast break, if you want to get the post notification shout out. And remember to leave a like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace. Peace.